Get ready to unleash your inner scientist. We're exploring the amazing world of science and nature. Take this easy 5-question quiz and see how much you know. Question 1. What is the standard SI unit for mass? The answer is kilogram. Question 2. The biggest distinction between a eukaryotic cell and a prokaryotic cell is? The answer is the presence or absence of a nucleus. Question 3. What is the first element on the periodic table? The answer is hydrogen. Question 4. What does the letter S stand for in NASA? The answer is space. Question 5. Rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure on what part of the human body? The answer is nose. How many did you get right? Calculate your score and let us know in the comments. Follow us for more fun quizzes and subscribe for new content every week.